Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. There is a giveaway going on that is linked down below. It is a two-part giveaway, so don't forget to check out both parts of that. The first part is for 2 big boxes of makeup, and the other one is for the Alyssa Edwards palette. Also, there's other information down there if you're interested in checking it out. We are getting super close to Paris. It is, I'm super excited to be able to vlog that for you guys. And as soon as I get back from Paris, I will be announcing the winners and shipping out the prizes. Today I have for you Ipsy, and this is $10 a month. Oh, the bag is so cute this month. It's like a dark forest green, and it is just super cute. I actually really love that. Do I have anything extra in my bag? I do. So I have a Luxie brush, and it came out of the packaging. I have a Luxie brush, and I will be keeping that since I already put my fingers on the brush. But I do love Luxie brushes. That would have gone in my giveaway had I not stuck my fingers all over the bristles trying to push it back in. Silly me. Anyway, moving on. Oh wait, where is, oh this. So it does say Bare Yourself, and it does tell you the products that you get, but I don't think this version gives you the prices. No, this version does not give you the prices. The next thing I am pulling out is an Adesse All Day Lip Cream. So is that like a chapstick? Or is it a... Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like, and it is actually a lipstick. That is really pretty. I don't know. I'll either keep this or pass this along, stick it in the giveaway. I'm not sure. I need to make up my mind about that. I do have a ton of nude lipsticks like that, and I'm not really drawn to that shade, so I do have to kind of think about it. The next thing I am pulling out is a pore purifying tea tree clay mask, and I am always down for a mask. That feels like a full size. That looks like a full size as far as face masks. I don't know, I would say that that's a good 5, 6, 7 uses in there. It feels pretty full. So that's kind of cool. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out is a Suva Beauty eyeshadow single. I will open it to show you, but I will not swatch it since you know me and singles. I don't really care for them. I don't really have a place for them in my collection, so I will pass this along, but I would like to show you the oh, that's a really pretty color too. So this is what the packaging looks like. I did not show you that before. This is what the packaging looks like. So there is that. And then the last thing I am pulling out is Confidence in a Cream Gel Lotion, oil-free for all types. So I'm assuming that is a full face cream, and I will actually keep that because that sounds interesting. So let's see, just to reiterate, we got the IT Cosmetics face cream, we got a Luxie brush, we got a face mask, and then we got a lipstick and an eyeshadow. So I will be keeping these 3 items and passing these 2 along. So I like this bag. I think this is a really great bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.